In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make videos like this. So in today's video, I'll create a quiz video related to science. Head over to our Canva account and create a template. Select videos and click a blank video template. Alright, so let's start editing. First, we need to add a background video. Head over to elements at the sidebar and type science background video. Also, you need to choose the background that works for your quiz. For example, if you are creating videos for science or tech or cybersecurity, your background video must be in line with it. After that, set your video to background. Now we are also going to add a text layer that will represent the question. You can also select suitable font, colors, and text effects. Okay, now go to element again and search for shapes. Now select this circle shape and edit it like this. Also, let's duplicate this shape also I'll add 3 text layers for these 3 options. So just head over to element again, so I'm using this. Then and also in this tutorial we used some Canva tips and tricks to save you a lot of time and also boost your productivity. So if you want to learn all these tips and also become a pro, make sure you check out this video. Right, after this again, I'll duplicate this same shape. after editing the question and answer, you should have something like this. Now let's also add some animations to the text to give it the video I showed you earlier on. Now I will split the video to edit each question, animation, and also the answer respectively. So watch closely because this part is important. I will add the link to this template so you all can just head over to the template and access it and change the text and also the effect I used to save your time. Now our template is almost ready. Now we just need to add some sound effect to your video. Now let's add the green check mark to this question and it pops up to show the correct one. Right now, after getting all our sound effects, this is our final output. If you have any questions regarding this video, make sure you comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.